Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to talk about my trip experience in Cartagena. Then I'm going to talk about weather in Cartagena. And the finish, I'm going to give you some recommendations if you go to Cartagena. This is me. I am Gisela Gil. I have 21 years old. I am a student of psychology. This is my family, my husband and my 3 sons. Let's continue with my trip experience in Cartagena. Cartagena. One of my biggest travel experiences was having met the city of Cartagena with my boyfriend and now husband. It is a beautiful city. We did not have to pay much because we stayed with an aunt of my husband. During the time we were there, we swam, we danced, and went to many recognized places. The sector where we stayed was very neat, tight, and beautiful. Several nights we went out to walk on the beach and I picked up many seashells. It was definitely a good rest plan. The weather in Cartagena. The weather in Cartagena at night is too nice. It makes a lot of cool breeze, but in the day it is very sunny. But there is also a rainy season. It is recommended that you wear fresh clothes. It is important that you wear sunglasses. It is necessary that you wear sunscreen. It is recommended that you take many photos. It is a good idea to try typical foods. It is important you carry an umbrella. It is recommended that you swim in the sea. It is necessary that you hydrate well. Important. If your plan is to visit Cartagena, you had better book the accommodation site and you should go to the tourist sites. You had better not wear uncomfortable clothes. Women should not wear high shoes to the beach. You should not miss a single day of fun.